Hello traders, welcome all of you. So here you can see I am selected two charts or three charts and I am going to mark the upcoming strong SNR levels. So I changed into 10 minutes. I am just marking the SNR levels which we can expect reversals. So maybe tomorrow the market when reach this level, there is higher chance to reverse. So note the prices where I am drawing the lines. Here you can see it is a big area in Euro USD chart. So you can set an alarm also. So another level is on the below. This is a strong support now. So when the market reach here tomorrow, there is very higher chance to reverse. Also another level. So you can note the prices also where I am drawing. It will help you to draw on your chart. So another level you can see on the bottom, right? So there is 3 SNR level I draw already. So in these 3 SNR levels we can expect reversals tomorrow, or when the market is reaching, when it's reached its first time. So the next chart is OD USD. Let's change into 10 minutes and just find out. Okay, here you can see the bottom line. Here you can expect reversal, higher chance, very higher chance to reverse. Note this, kindly remind you that there is higher chance to reverse when the market reaches the level first time. You noted that only first time. The second time it may break out. So if you are trading in these lines, in this SNR levels, just try reversals on the first attempt. Okay, hope you understand what I am saying. So you can see, also note the price here where I am drawing. So one more on the top. Okay, here you can see also 3 SNR levels I have marked for you, the upcoming SNR levels. So the next chart is Euro OD chart. Let's change into 10 minutes as we do to find out the strong SNR levels. So let's draw the line on the top. That will be the strongest resistance now. So above 90% chance to reverse on that particular level. So another one is, you can see the second line here. I think only 2 levels is enough. 2 levels are enough. Okay, it's an uptrend. It was an uptrend, it's not an uptrend now, it's a downtrend now, but there is a long prolonged uptrend you can see. Okay, here also you can see there is a very big support level. So when the market reaching that level, you can go for a reversal. So I think given you 9 SNR levels that you can read tomorrow. Upcoming SNR levels. All the best. Good night.